Can you believe this? The bus is late again. I've been standing here for ages.
I know, right? This is becoming a regular occurrence. It's so frustrating.
Exactly. It's not the first time the bus has been late, but today it's even worse. We could have been halfway to our destinations by now.
I have an important meeting to attend, and this delay is really putting me behind schedule. It's unacceptable.
I completely understand. I have a job interview, and if I'm late, it could jeopardize my chances. This kind of unreliability is just not fair to us passengers.
We rely on public transportation to get us to our destinations on time. And when it consistently fails, it's a major inconvenience.
Absolutely. It's not just about inconvenience. It's about the impact on our daily lives. We plan our schedules based on the bus timetables, and when they don't stick to it, it disrupts everything.
I wonder why this keeps happening. Are there not enough buses or proper maintenance being done?
It could be a combination of factors: lack of proper scheduling, inadequate fleet, or even traffic conditions. But regardless, it's the responsibility of the transportation company to address these issues and improve their service.
They should prioritize the needs of their passengers. Punctuality and reliability should be their top concerns.
I couldn't agree more. We pay for these services, and we deserve to have buses that arrive on time.
Maybe we should voice our concerns to the transportation company and demand better service.
That's a great idea. We should gather feedback from other passengers too. It's important to make our voices heard and hold them accountable for their shortcomings.
Let's make a complaint and suggest some improvements. We shouldn't have to tolerate these constant delays.
Absolutely. It's time to take action and push for change. We deserve better, and it's up to us to demand it.